If your diet contains too much omega-6, an imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 in the cell membrane occurs. This imbalance enhances the development of inflammatory diseases like type 2 diabetes, psoriasis, bronchial asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, and even metabolic syndrome. Follow this line dancer. We all understand that her body needs to be in balance. Your daily diet determines your body's internal balance. What will happen to this line dancer if her diet contains too much omega-6 fatty acids from plant oils compared to long-chain omega-3 fatty acids from fish? Balance will be off. She has too much omega-6. Let's look inside her body to find out what happens. Let's look at a red blood cell as an example of the problems in the line dancer's cells. The cell is the smallest unit of life in our body. Our body is built from 100 trillion cells: brain, skin, liver, muscle, and the list goes on. All cells have a skin called a cell membrane, protecting the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane regulates the movement of water, nutrients, and wastes into and out of the cell. Phospholipids are the major building blocks of the membrane, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in its left leg. The cells constantly rebuild membranes. During this process, the phospholipids will lose some of their legs. Losing an omega-6 leg will create inflammation compounds within the cell. Losing an omega-3 leg will create inflammation-alleviating compounds within the cell. The real imbalance happens inside the cells when the number of inflammation compounds is greater than the number of inflammation-alleviating compounds. In our diet, omega-6 from plant oils and omega-3 from fish oils compete to enter into the left leg position on the phospholipid molecules. When our diet contains too much omega-6, an imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 in the cell membrane occurs. You have one life. See how you can take care of yourself at www.1Life63.com.